Student, today we will discuss our next chapter, that is India, my motherland. India is our motherland and we also call it Bharatvarsh ya Bharat. R is one of the oldest civilization of the world. India is a vast country with an area of 3.2 million square kilometer. Among the largest country of the world like Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil and Australia after India, and India ranks 7th. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan together form a distinct geographical unit popularly known as the Indian subcontinent. India's extent on the globe. India is situated in the northern hemisphere as it lies to the north of the equator, and the Tropic of Cancer divides India into two parts, and the area lying in the north of the Tropic of Cancer is called subtropical India and the southern area is called tropical India, and it is situated to the east of the prime meridian. It means India lies in the eastern hemisphere. Look at here, the value of prime meridian is 0 degree and the equator value of equator is 0 degree. It means India lies in the eastern hemisphere and above the Tropic of Cancer it lies in the northern hemisphere. And Tropic of Cancer divides India into two halves. One is northern part and next one is southern part. And the area of India is 3.29 million square kilometer. The neighboring country of India. India land frontiers are about 15,200 kilometer, and India share its border with Pakistan, Afghanistan in the northwest, China which lies to the north of Himalaya, right? Afghanistan and Nepal, that is in north of Himalaya, and Bhutan it also lies in north. Bangladesh it lies in the eastern direction, and China that is a northeast, and Myanmar that is also in the near direction. Myanmar share its boundary with Indian state in the northeast. Sri Lanka, an island country, is located to the south of India. It is separated from India by a narrow sea called the Pak Strait, and Maldives is a country of group of islands in the Arabian Sea is also a neighbor. These are the neighboring country of India. Next one is India's extent. India is a vast country and its mainland extends between 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north latitudes. It has a latitudinal extent of about 29 degree from south to north or north to south. It extent of about 29 degree, and the north-south extent of the mainland of India is about 3,214 kilometer. 3,214 kilometer. The longitudinal extent of India is between 68 degrees 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east, and its extent is 30 degree longitude. And the east-west extent of the country is about 2,933 kilometer. 33 kilometer. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the distance about 3,214 kilometer, and the distance from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, that is 2,933 kilometer. That is the extent of India. And the India has selected 82 degree 30 minute east standard meridian as a longitude of India and its local time in Indian Standard Time for the whole country, and it is followed all over the country, and 5.5 hours ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. meantime. And India experienced a variety of climate conditions, natural vegetation, soil, as we move from Kanyakumari in the south towards the Jammu Kashmir in the north. Okay student, goodbye. Read your chapter carefully.